Welcome back to Just Kiwi's DIYs. I am back with another cute tutorial on how to make unicorn Mickey Mouse ears. If you want to see how I make them, continue to watch and don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to keep up to date with my latest videos. Alright, to start off you're going to be cutting out some cardboard. It's going to be 4 per Mickey Mouse ear, so 2 each ear. Then you're going to put your fabric around the ear but not too tight because you're going to be stuffing them later. I did off camera added a more shinier look to the ears on top of it, but right now just stuff it with polyfill to your liking. I like my Mickey Mouse ears to be kind of puffy a little bit, so just stuff it to your liking but not too much that you're bending the cardboard. Seal in the polyfill and then cut off the excess fabric once you're done. Now we're going to be putting the ears together. I'm just going to put a ton of hot glue on here. We're going to put one on top of each other and we're going to seal it as best as we can together. Don't worry about the spacing in between the 2 ears because I have a solution to cover that up. Alright, so to cover up that space, we're just going to take some ribbon and just hot glue it down. Now, I did not like the color of the headband. It was just a black headband and just kind of threw off my ears. So I just put some fabric on top of it. I had no method to the madness. I just kind of just tightened it as much as I can and put it on there. On to the bow. I am cutting out a square. It's not no dimensions to it. I don't know no accurate measurements. As you can see, it's a little, you know what I'm saying, but hey, you just folding it in towards the middle and you're just gluing it down and you're going to fold it into a smaller square. you're just going to be folding it back and forth like a fan or an accordion. I forgot to make the middle part of the bow, so this is what I'm doing right here real quick. This part is optional. You do not have to hot glue the bow together because you cut out the extra fabric to wrap around the middle to hold it. Can't have unicorn Mickey Mouse ears without the unicorn. I got these foam unicorn horns from Joann's, and all I did was use some Mod Podge, put it on there, sprinkle the glitter on there, and that's pretty much it. Here is my beautiful tulle that I put together. It's just pink and blue, and I did like a large stitch in the middle and then just pushed it all the way down, so it can just be flowing down kind of like the unicorn's hair. So spacing is everything, so I'm using this ear spacing template to put on my ears just to make sure they're in the right spot. I do have it linked below, so don't worry. If you need it, it's down below. Just check the description out. Y'all, I impressed myself. These are so beautiful, and anybody would love to wear these unicorn Mickey Mouse ears. And like I always say, if you don't want to buy it, just DIY it. Thank you for watching my channel.